Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for May 13 to 19, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And then, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa ating mga tarot reading services kapag nag-book kayo from May 2 to 15. Okay, let's see, Pisces. What's up ngayong week na to? May 13 to 19. So, your overall energy, the Fool. Your challenge, the Page of Cups. Your opportunity, 9 of Pentacles. And the blessing is the Lovers. Okay. So, as your overall energy, maaring may new beginnings, no? This can also mean taking a risk. Parang meron kang susugal ka sa isang bagong opportunity. This can be a romantic partner, no? Kasi meron ditong the Lovers or a commitment. Can be business opportunities as well. But this is about you na, walang halong takot, no? Walang halong pangamba sa mga susubukan mo. Oo, ngayong week na to. Yung iba may pag-travel, no? Yung parang meron kang pupuntahan na hindi, you have never been there before, no? Never mo pa napuntahan. So, syempre, pag hindi pa tayo nakapunta doon, yung iba, kinakabahan, baka maligaw kayo, or baka magka-problema kayo going to that place. But for you, malakas yung loob nyo. Malakas ang loob nyo to experience new things. You have the Fool. What is that? Uy! You have the 6 of Wands. Clarify siya ng 6 of Wands. Alam nyo, whatever this is, nasisimulan nyo, susubukan nyo, this is going to be successful. Kasi parang tiwalang-tiwala kayo sa sarili nyo. Alam nyo na you are on the right path. Some of you, marami ring mga admirers, mga taong sineselebrate yung success mo, yung mga achievements mo. Your challenge is the Page of Cups. So, kung meron kayong anak, pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng challenge sa inyong anak, no? So, you have to be more careful, lalo na kung medyo bata pa, no? Pwedeng may kinalaman sa health. You also have the 9 of Cups. So, some of you also, pwedeng merong new person that is coming into your life na hindi ka pa sigurado if this person is for you, no? Kumbaga, may pagpapahiwatig, no? May nagpaparamdam, pero hindi ka sigurado dun sa intentions niya sa'yo. Parang it seems na ang tingin mo sa kanya is puro fun lang, no? Yung tipong puro, parang easy-go-lucky, no? Masyadong feeling mo itong person na to is immature. Oo. Sabihin ko sana immoral, but immature. Yun, that's what I want to say. May pagka-immature pa. Alam mo yung tipong gusto lang niya yung mga fun things. Oo. Na hindi masyadong nakatingin sa future. So, that can be challenging for you if you are connecting with someone. So, your opportunity, 9 of Pentacles. Your focus on your finances. Financial stability, financial freedom. And I think yung iba sa inyo, parang feeling nyo nakaalis kayo sa isang limitasyon. Kaya nga meron na kayong kalayaan ngayon. Yung iba nagsisimula ng bagong negosyo, bagong career, na alam nyo sa sarili nyo na kaya nyo on your own. Let's see, what is the 9 of Pentacles? Ooh, 10 of Cups, oh. Happiness. This is your opportunity to also focus on your family, yung mga anak nyo, kung may anak na kayo. Yung iba sa inyo maaring ang inyong mga goals ngayon, makapagpundar ng lupa, ng bahay, malawak na lupa. Oo. So, yung iba sa inyo talagang focus kayo sa pag-iipon para makuha nyo yung goals ninyo for your family. So, your blessing is the lover. So, this is a commitment. Maaring iba sa inyo papasok sa commitment sa business, sa trabaho, no? Contract signing, or relationship. Ooh, oh my God, you have the devil. Alam niyo, ito yung opposites nung dalawa. So, I think as a blessing, pinapalaya mo yung sarili mo. You are releasing yourself from unhealthy habits. Yung anything toxic sa buhay mo, you are releasing that. Kasi ngayon, inaayos mo na yung buhay mo. So, kung galing ka sa isang relationship na toxic, you are releasing that. Maring yan, pinapalaya mo yung sarili mo doon. Dahil alam mo, hindi makakabuti sa yung future, at hindi na siya in alignment of your goals and your dreams. Yung iba naman, can be a toxic career na tipong puro na lang, pera, pero hindi na nakakatulong sa mental health mo, sa kalusugan mo. So ngayon, may isinasaayos ka for your health. Para sa situation mo na maging maayos, maging matuwid. Okay? Yung iyong situation. And you are going to be successful in that. Let's see your money, career, finances. O, diba? Grabe, ang ganda. The Sun. The Six of Pentacles. Financial stability. Oh my God, look at that. Pisces, ang ganda ng energies for you. Money, career, finances. This is courage, happiness. Meron kang fulfillment pagdating sa career. You have the Six of Pentacles. May kakayanan ka rin tumulong sa iba. Yung pasok ng pera sa'yo. Kumbaga, maganda yung daloy ng pasok ng pera. You have the Magician. So, some of you, fina-follow nyo yung inyong passion sa buhay. Kung saan kayo masaya. Kung saan kayo skilled. Saan yung talents nyo. Saan yung skills nyo. Yun yung focus. O, diba? Speaking of talent, you have an exceptional talent in art that needs to be discovered or expanded. It's time to make fortune in your creativity. So this makes sense with the Sun. Sun is about creativity as well. And of course, the Magician, knowing a lot of things, no? Ayan, huwag ka raw matakot sa failure, but be afraid of regrets. Kaya siguro ngayon, you are stepping into a new direction, a new path. Remind yourself of your greatness and stay optimistic. Ayan yung tipong yung iba nag-iisip na what if ganito, what if hindi maging successful, what if kung yun yung lagi mong iisipan, baka yun talaga yung ma-attract mo. 'Di ba? So focus on what you want to attract, which is to be successful sa career, sa business, sa investments mo. So sa relationship naman. 'Di ba? Eight of Cups, may pag-alis sa isang sitwasyon na hindi na healthy for you. You have the King of Pentacles. Focusing on your money. Yung iba sa inyo, sudden realization to. Yung tipong, okay, hindi talaga ako na masaya sa relationship na to. Okay, bye-bye na, ganon. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nang ghost kayo ng person nyo eh. If you're single naman, I think iniiwasan nyo yung mga taong walang pangarap sa buhay. You know, malinaw sa inyo ang gusto ninyo. And you are manifesting the person that you want to be in your life. At nagiging honest ka sa iyong person, no? Kung merong tao na, alam mo na wala kang balak na i-pursue na yung connection, sasabihin mo. Mind. You are the master of your inner world and you decide how the outer world affects you. Cultivate a calm inner state. Yes. Kalmado ka lang. Focus. Focus on the goals. if you focus on what you want, what you don't want, there's a good chance you might get it. Focus on what you do want instead. Yes. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na, kung lagi kayong what if ganito, what if hindi mangyari, what if hindi maging successful, what if mag-fail, yun yung focus mo yun yung ma-attract mo. Pero kung nag-focus ka sa positive energies, focus on what you do want instead kasi you will get it. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!